Yo, at the bill. Let me run. Yo,
Effect beats and design. Hear and see.
It's obvious I'm a flexing guy. This ended me up in LT when I met these very 8 girls. In 8 different places. At the 8 days of the 8 weeks. At the 8 months of the 8 years. After chilling in 8 bars, I come across this very high girl. Her name is called Aisha. She's from Ireland, but now she's based in Iceland, where she lives in a high house. They say she got a very good height, but I wonder why she like high heels. At the view, a high guy. My swag's gonna make high. Oh Lord, come and be my savior. Lord, I need your help to back up. Cause at the B, all I want is Aisha. After the 8 guests, Aisha is my mind. Well, all I do is win. At the B, a real dude. Cause my swag is gonna eradicate high class. High class, come down. As the story continues, in the Bible they say what goes around comes around. I thought I lost Aisha forever, but in the 8th night, me and my friends in the nightclub, in a Samsung nightclub, I met this girl chilling with her best friends. Then I walk up to her with confidence, cause I got my iPhone, cause I know this girl is a high girl. Then she gave me a number. Then I start doing the WhatsApp. As I start doing the bingy thing, then I asked a very straight question. What can I do for trespassing my dream and stealing my softly? Then she said to me, Eddy be a real dude. I like a guy with a high class. Take me home for a hot sex. Eddy be feeling cool. Feeling cool, feeling happy. All the real things start going on. Eddy be, nah, I'm a winner. Just as I was saying, a high guy with a high girl. Since things going well, I took her into my high class car on a high road in the highway. When we enter a high class hotel, on a high bed, I insert my SIM card in a high phone. Then she start ringing. Phillips. This is how she rings all night long. Phillips.